Whoa, do we got a story? We have a woman. The charges have been filed in the toddler's death. Like they said over here, we have a Pennsylvania woman. She allegedly killed. Wait, I said all that right there wrong. A toddler dies. A toddler is allegedly killed by dad's girlfriend. This bitch used, oh Jesus, she used acetone, batteries, and screws on a baby? Bitch, what did that baby do?
We have new details tonight in a heartbreaking story out of Newcastle. Police have charged a woman in the death of 18-month-old Iris Alfera last summer. 20-year-old Alicia Owens is facing a number of charges, including criminal homicide. Investigators with the Pennsylvania Attorney General's office said she planned ways to kill the child. They said she researched it online and looked for things like household products that could cause serious harm to a child. Owens was dating the little girl's father. And this is a photo of little Iris. Her family described her as a pure, beautiful gift from God. She had a great smile and her eyes just sparkled. Iris was initially found unresponsive in her home and died 4 days later at UPMC Children's Hospital in Pittsburgh. The suspect has been denied bail in the child's death. Hi, everyone. I'm
The family said that this child was a gift from God. Do God takes his gifts back? And if he take the gifts back, do we also take back blessings? Because again, according to what we heard earlier, that Texas looks at children as blessings. So if God give it, well, I guess if God give it, God can take it away. That's what's up. Let's scroll down and see what they're saying in this story. A woman is accused of fatally poisoning her boyfriend's 18-month-old daughter by feeding her batteries. What? Oh, she fed her batteries. Oh no. Oh no. He said she just wanted her own family and have to get rid of that churn. Yes. That's what that baby was trying to do. Fed the daughter batteries, screws, and nail polish removers after she researched the harmful effects the items could have on the child before the killing. Leisure, she was 20 years old, was arrested on Thursday for suspected homicide of Iris Ritter Alfera after an autopsy determined that the baby died due to fatal levels of acetone in her blood. Wow. Man. Owens had been living with Iris' father, Bailey Jacoby, when he left the house to go to the store on June 25th, 2023. Jacoby, who had visitation rights with Iris, then received a call from Owens that something was wrong with his daughter. Oh, he didn't even have full custody. This was just his little weekend or something like that. He rushed the child to... Damn it. He rushed to the Newcastle home to find his baby girl unresponsive and quickly called 911, according to the criminal complaint. Oh, look at the little bitty baby. That's a damn shame. Oh, that baby ain't did nothing to nobody, but the baby probably did something to that little 20-year-old. The 20-year-old was jealous. The 20-year-old was probably jealous, and the 20-year-old possibly just wanted her own family. That's what's up. Iris was rushed to UPMC Jameson Hospital in Newcastle. Yada, yada, yada. They told us that the toddler died 4 days later to organ failure. Wow. Iris lived with her mother, Emily, and her grandparents, while her father, Jacob, had visitation rights. Wait, what? And her grandparents while her father... Oh, all right. Oh, so the mother didn't even have her own crib. The mama lived with grandparents. That's what's up. Owens had told the police that the girl had hit her. It had hit her after she cramped up and fell off the bed, according to the complaint. Owens had told the police that the girl had hit her head. Oh, had hit her head after she cramped up. Oh, and fell off the bed. Oh, so that was this beautiful baby had came up with. She old little five. No, she 5'6". Little baby 5'6" out here. Don't even worry about it, baby, because when you jump, another player will have you in their lives. However, the autopsy showed that Iris had ingested numerous water beads along with button sharp batteries and metal screws. Do y'all understand that shit got to go down through your esophagus? Got to go down in your throat and all that shit and get into your intestines and your large intestine, your small intestine before it even can attempt to leave out of your colon? Jesus. A search of Owens' phone revealed that she had been looking up information on household products that could cause child serious harm or death, including water beads, batteries, and nail polish from February to June. She'd been plotting to kill the baby for 5 months. God damn. She been really doing her research. And the child was 18 months. Damn. The police found that she had also searched beauty products that are poisonous to kids and medication leading to cause accidental poisoning deaths in children. Luckily, this 20-year-old does not know that phones are receipts. Acetone is found in nail polish remover. Jeez, I don't even want to read no more. Is this her mother? Iris with her mama. Is she on her grandparents' land? The grandparents probably got a big nice property. You can come and live with us, honey. Mm-hmm. Look at this beautiful baby. She lived with her grandparents. You mean a beautiful baby like this ain't got her own shit? Huh? We can't say, oh, Willie, all right, she just had the baby, and it would have been best for her to stay with the grandparents so the grandparents could help her with, like, the first child. The child is 18 months. We passed, like, the first little year and cute shit. You know what I'm saying? This baby hollering and all type shit. Them cute days over with, you know. But, you couldn't hunt your way into, like, an apartment or nothing, huh? I don't know. Mm-hmm. There was nothing throughout the investigation to show that he had any knowledge or involvement about what happened to the baby. He was questioned multiple times and was cooperative. Owens faces homicide charges and was also slapped with attempted homicide, aggravated assault of a child, endangering the welfare of a child, and other offenses regarding conduct leading to the baby's death and other acts of abuse in months prior. The alleged child killer appeared in front of Judge Richard A. Russo on Thursday to be read her charges, where she sat dry-eyed. Ooh, they pointed out that baby wasn't crying at her arraignment. Dry-eyed and expressionless. That's a new word right there. We got to incorporate that word when we doing the stories where people they losing their loved ones. And that's what the report had done reported. That beautiful baby. You could not hunt your way into at least a rooming house. No. Owens was taken to Lawrence County Jail, and is being held without bond. Oh, all right, that baby ain't get no bond. He said, we're happy that they finally arrested her. That's the first step. It will be a long process in the court system. The child's grandparents, Frank Alfiera, told the outlet. Emily Alfiera, meanwhile, posted a heartbreaking tributes to her daughter since her alleged murder. I have no words for what has currently happened to my beautiful angel baby. Never in my life I thought I would be saying goodbye to the biggest light of my life. Emily Alfiera posted on her Facebook a day after Iris died. We have to post on the internet because we do believe the internet is like real life. You know, we just got to let the people know. Let's see the heartbreaking tribute. Well, I can't see it. Guess I can't see it. Maybe there's another red highlighted something. I don't see no something. I wonder if the baby got like a GoFundMe. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Is that a legend on? It's her. What is the baby name? Damn it, I done read the baby name like multiple times. Iris something. Damn it. I don't want to be disrespectful. Iris Ritter. Iris Ritter. It's a sad, sad story though, man. It's a sad, sad story. Let me slide this and slide that. We finna click the GoFundMe. See if we can do a search. See if we got a little search. Nope. Nope. We don't have one. We do not have one. Even when I remove the middle and last names, we don't even have an Iris. You say a walk for. Nope. Nope, we don't have a GoFundMe, so maybe, either they had insurance or the grandparents is gonna handle the funeral costs and all that stuff right there, and or maybe somebody else can find the GoFundMe that I can't find. I don't know. But this is a sad, sad story. And hell, that baby is not gonna do forever. That means she's not gonna do forever in jail. She sure enough ain't. That baby gonna be out in about a good 3 to 5. Don't need much worry about it. Moving right along. I ain't gonna eat much hope.